friends, in the last video of this Python tutorial, we studied comments, predefined functions, print function, character, strings, and use of double and single quotes. And we understood like we cannot use double quotes inside double quotes and single quotes inside single quotes. But what if I say I want to use double quotes inside double quotes like print, I'll use double quotes, I am from India. I'll use this India as capitals and I use double quotes inside it, right? Double quotes inside a double quotes. If I execute it, I'll for sure get an error, a syntax error, invalid syntax. But I want to use these double quotes inside the double quotes. Then how I can do that? For that particular thing, let us introduce escape character. It is nothing but just a backslash. In other words, it has a special meaning that when we will use it inside a string, and as the name suggests, the escape character escapes the character in a string for a brief moment and to introduce a unique inclusion. So let's see. A unique inclusion mean if I simply give it like this, will it work? Let's see, execute it. It didn't work. It is still saying end of syntax error, end of line while scanning string literal. But as here you can see, there are double quotes and it is showing it at the end of the line. Earlier it was showing in the middle, right? So we can say a backslash signifies that the next character after it has a different meaning. The next character after it has a different meaning. Means here I have used double quotes and that has their different meaning. And what that is, that should be an escape sequence, right? The sequence of characters after backslash is known as escape sequence. In Python, we have different escape sequences with unique meanings, but we will see the most common escape sequences like backslash single quote for single quote showing, backslash double quote for double quote, backslash backslash, backslash new for new line, backslash t for tab, backslash b for backspace. Now let's see it. I have given backslashes before both the double quotes and let's see how it will work. Well, it gave me I am from India in double quotes and I have used double quotes over here. So that is my double quote. So the backslash escape sequence, the backslash I used before double quotes gave me an escape sequence of double quotes. So my double quotes is visible now. Can the same thing will done with we can do with the single quotes? Let's see. Let's print I am an engineer and we will put it in single quotes. This time we'll delete this entire line and in single quotes we will say I am an engineer and I want to use single quotes in it, not the double one, single quotes in it. So this is the single quote and it is showing the error. But if I use a escape sequence or an escape character before it, then see it is not showing an error and the color got changed. Let's run it, let's execute it and see I am an engineer in single quotes. So single quotes and single quotes, right? Now comes an issue when I say that print I am a man and I put it in double quotes where I want to use this backslash. So backslash itself should have a meaning, right? So I have given I am a man in backslash. I'll print it and see it got me I am a backslash man, right? Then I remove this backslash from the middle and put it in at the end. What it indicates? Let's run it and see. When I run it, it gave me an end of line error. It's a syntax error. So what happened is now this backslash is indicated as escape sequence because escape sequence says the character after that sequence will be considered as escape sequence, right? So it got a meaning which is not which is not being understood by the Python interpreter. So to give this backslash, if I want to show the backslash, I'll give one more backslash. So what will happen is this backslash will make sure that this next backslash will be visible, and this particular backslash will be a escape sequence, and this double quotes will be released from the escape sequence part. And let's run it. When we run it, see, I got a I am a man and a backslash, right? Now suppose I want to write something in double lines. What I'll do is I'll write print and line 1 and line 2. What I want is instead of line 1 and line 2, I want them to be in separate lines. So what I'll do is I'll give an escape sequence that is backslash n. It will give it's as a new line. We'll run it and we'll see what it will give. See, line 1, line 2 both are in different lines, right? So that gives us a new line. Now let's see the tab. Suppose I'm writing I am in Bangalore. I'll give print in double quotes. P should be small, right? In double quotes, I am in Bangalore. But I want a space between Bangalore. If I run it right now, it will just give me I am in Bangalore. But I want a space, a good space between them. I am in and in from Bangalore and in. I want a good space. So what I'll do is I'll put a backslash T, or I'll give a tab, and see, here is no space, and if I execute it, it gave me a space, right? I'm in Bangalore. And if I'll give a space over here, then the space will be doubled. A tab space will be extra added, right? So you understood? Fine. Now let's see. Suppose I'm writing print, and in print, I'm just giving I'm in Bangalore, and I have by mistake I did something like I have added an A over there. The spelling I have written a wrong spelling over here. Now what I shall do? See, I am in Bangalore and last A is there. What I'll do is I have to remove this last A. What I will do is backslash B. I'll give it a backslash B or backspace escape sequence to give that A will be removed after I give this backspace escape sequence. Let's run it and see. See, I am in Bangalore now without an A, right? So these were few common examples for escape sequences. I hope you liked the video and you understood the video very well. If you didn't, please repeat the video, and if you still want to learn anything else, you can give me in comments. So if you like the video, please hit like button. Please like, subscribe and share. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.